Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Albert Jones, on the Action News Update. Today, Saturday, March 9th, 2024.
Today, we got some top story. I couldn't hear what you just said, Talking Tom. Anyways, a fire truck is trying to smash into a building, while tow trucks have lots everywhere this time. 2 vehicles has been now towed away this time.
Well,
Alright, understand that. Anyways, let's check out the footage right now today and see about that.
alright then. Thanks so much, Talking Ben.
We'll be right back for next in 8 seconds.
You see that footage? Make sure to stop by at this time, and make sure to check out the fire truck to be able to see about that.
Well, I know this time had to say this. I don't know if the fire truck need to go to the impound or something.
Yep, the fire truck's going to the impound.
Anyways, lots of police everywhere during that time, but the building needed to be fixed $400,000.
That's a lot of money.
We got an update. We come back starting tomorrow.
Well, looks like the camera has been now find the video footage like that.
I don't know the camera to see the from the building and see about that, but 3 pairs of vehicles has been now smashed.
Anyways, that's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow morning as we come back. Have a great rest of your morning, or have a great rest of your weekend. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. We're gonna scrap. Goodbye.
Cookie Sergeant.
Oh, no, you're not. That's it. You asked for it.